Edo 2020. Edo PDP don't talk for the lie where APC put for their head, say they won't scatter September 19 election for Edo State. Edo State chapter of People's Democratic Party (PDP) don yarn say the party with im candidates Governor Godwin Obaseki and Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu not get any plan to scatter the election wey dey waka come so for Edo State, sake of say na peaceful election wey no go cause any katakata na im dem dey after for the state. The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, na im talk this one for the campaign rally wey dem do for Irwa as dem react on top the lie wey All Progressives Congress (APC) for Edo State don talk say Edo and Delta State government wan join body take gather plenty bad weapon and thugs wey PDP want to scatter the state governorship election.
Well, they are just trying to be crying foul when they know what they are doing. We know the party now that has become a violent party, and we know the players that have made it so. Those allegations are just cover up. They are unfounded. Delta State governor is a peaceful man. The governor of Edo State is a peaceful man, and there's no sign to show that we have planned any violence in this election. We have always preached for peace, and we want to preach for peace because we believe that it's only through peace that the people can exercise their rights. The cry by APC on the issue of violence is a cover-up. They are the one planning violence, and they have actually acquired arms, and we have proof. So I'm telling Edo people not to panic. They want you not to come for election. I want to assure you that on election day, there will be no one gunshot. On election day, they want to deceive people and create that tension for people not to come out to vote, because they know when they come out, we will win.
Make una sabi say People's Democratic Party (PDP) don't finish the word-to-word campaign waka wey dem do for Edo Central Senatorial District as dem carry waka go Irwa, Ewu, Uwesa, Ebore and other areas for the local government area.
Well, I go just talk small. Una know say this election now between our action governor and another person when they represent APC. The candidate of APC na Pastor Osage Ezeyamu. Not be so. Now me go tell una more about her, because both of us are friends. We go school together. But today, as we decide who go be governor for this election when they come, now me go tell una say the right person when we go support na Governor Godwin Obaseki. The man when they lead the campaign of APC, na him be Adam Soshomole. For 8 years as governor of Edo State, he neglected Ishan people. Within few years of Governor Obaseki's government, he's addressing the problems in Esan land. He's correcting all the things Soshomole refused to do for you. Will you not vote for him?
Governor Godwin Obaseki wey follow the party supporters and faithfuls wey dey the area talk, tell them say body dey sweet am well on top the election wey dey waka come so, sake of say im government go get another opportunity to serve Edo people well and continue all the Ogbonge deve wey don already start for the state after dem don re-elect am.
They say Edo must move forward. Ewu must move forward. Esan must move forward. That is why on the 19th of September, the power for us to move forward is with you. You have to come out and vote. Yes, we don't do something for Ewu, but we never do many. The one we never do, now pass the one we don't do. We don't want to make we do more. Ewu flour mills, I want to resuscitate it. We don't start the work. We don't start the work. I don't talk to the investor. They don't order the machine. If I not come back, we go continue. That is why this next election is very, very important. We don't do one erosion control. Others not there. Una get light. Una no one light. That is why you must vote and vote PDP on September 19th. Because that vote is for the future. That vote is to move Edo forward. And by the grace of God, Edo will never go backward.
My position, the election, I reckon that Barry. Well, in the carry APC care, better PDP back in Kwakubenia.
In 2016, you were telling us that in every college election you are coming to resuscitate it. You will come out. If for the college election of the same thing in the South Central, you say you are going to do it. You will come out. We want to tell you thank you. By the grace of God, we are going to demonstrate it. But I want to say to you, the project of your re-election is our project. We are taking it our project. Oh, you will come out.
Power to the people! All of you now know me for this is here. The superpower of APC. 2 times aspirant to Edo State House of Assembly. The way I take from there with the mess of PDP. But today, everybody that is here, I announce to you people, when I come back to PDP, all of you said you are following me to PDP. PDP here! PDP there!
This time around, we are going to give you 100%. 100%. But we are begging you, sir, that when you get there, remember us as a youth. Give us enough employment, give us roads and electricity.
Una go sabi say na only 1 month remain before election go reach, and wetin Edo people want na make the 2 major parties wey dey contest join body to make sure say katakata no go dey for these elections wey go soon shele. This one na the Ogbonge Infomate wey carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo PDP don talk say dem no get hand for the lie wey APC dey put for their head say dem wan scatter Edo state election for September 19. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this Ogbonge Infomate come give una. My name na Edo Idoleye.